Akianirira mutaratara wa mogaruruku maria maratabanirio ruhonge ruru rwa kurunga mitugo, Minister wa ugitiri Fred Matiang'i augite muoroto wa thirikari ni kuhe ohwo riera riega ria kumateithiriria kugarurira niguo kuhuthia thabari ya kumaruta mitugo-ini iria matwarite njera, mugaru na uria meciria ma aingi makoretwo hau kabere ati no nginya ohwo maherithio niguo magarurire.
What our president wants in honor and in respect of our constitution is that tuachane na ile mambo zamani, we manage our correctional services in a new modern way where indeed when those who come to spend time with us here are done, they go and even do more great and good things for the community when they integrate in there.
Mogaruruku maya mambiriirie na kuhe ohwo njera-ini nene ya Naivasha indo cia gukomera ta mikondoro na mirengeti na kumagurira nguo njeru. Ministry ya mathako nayo ikiranira kuhura njeki mubango uyu na njira ya kuhe ohwo indo cia mathako.
Areas where we need to buy equipment, for example for our workshops, we have begun to buy new equipment so that we can train more of our people. Areas where we need to do more productivity, we have begun to do that and we have seen more productivity. Our farms are doing more, we are producing more and we are doing well.
Na nitafurahi pia kuja kuleta mpira na vitu vingine ambazo mnaweza kuzitumia kupitia kwa ofisi yake.
So the last time we were here, I was saying this prison is very lucky. Mambo yote mazuri yanaanzanga hapa Naivasha. Na bahati sana, vaccination nyinyi ndio mlianzisha na ikaendea na ikamalizika. Sasa tuko kwa mkondo ya pili ambayo ni blanketi na mattresses, imeanzia hapa alafu itaenea kwa magereza yote mengine.
Mogaruruku maya maratanywo gutabanio na matena, maofitha a njera nao magitanywo kwamukira urutani wa uria meguteithiriria thirikari gukinyaniria mubango uyu matekunyamaria ohwo. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Annie Ngigĩ Wanyamu.